Okay, here's an after picture. I'm not sure what's going on here in the front here, but remember I had some issues going on with my concrete. Still not 100% sure what, I made to tweak a couple of things here, but I did hire Ken's Concrete Design. They did a good job. I can't complain. Something has happened here today, but here is the results. They put a new coat of stain down here, and they put a sealant on top of the stain. You'll see here that it's been a few days since this has been finished, and how it looks like brand new concrete. They put a topper on it. Of course, this is the a decorative concrete here where they've stamped concrete, where they've stained it again. You might recall, if you go back, what you've just watched here, there was some cracks here, and the cracks are covered up. They actually sawed very deeply and they didn't just put putty in the cracks. They sawed the cracks up and put concrete there. This is the medallion that's in the house, in the wooden flooring that we have there in the house. So this is the same shape of the medallion in the house. So there's a little bit of connectivity to what's going on in Rod's random review house there. So I can't really go indoors there, but to show you. But walking slowly here, you might recall the cracks that were here. I'm kind of thinking there where the water, we just had a big rain here today, and the rain has dried up. Maybe that's where a crack was. Yeah, there were some cracks over here. Of course, I got my crepe myrtles blooming here, so they're have some droppings. So this is probably not the best video I could do here for you, but this driveway looks amazing when it's wet. It turns it gray a little bit, and I got some droppings from the tree here. So but yeah, Ken's Concrete Design out of Coleman, Alabama did a good job. You can see here that this is what a normal sidewalk looks like, and this is what my sidewalk looks like. So it's unbelievably looks brand new. So you kind of see here as I'm walking back to the back of my house, again, more stamped concrete. Again, there was a lot of cracks in this concrete here, and you're not seeing them now. And interesting enough, down here there was no cracks in the concrete, and I will get my pressure washer out, and I will pressure wash all this so there's not such a significant difference here between the two. Yeah, this is kind of what it looked like, as you may recall, on the front of the house. So yeah, my neighbors and all have noticed it. There's some cracks you can see. Yeah, they were worse than that in the front of the yard. Yeah, there's another crack there. See how that is? So what they did was they came in and just sawed all the way across on the front of the yard, and really did a good job of replacing that crack with a solid piece of concrete, and then blended it all in at the top. So here we go in my backyard. Again, I need to pressure wash to make it look more like the front. So thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. You can see that the concrete is looking much better. It looks like brand new concrete in the front. So here we go with my automatic doors. Let's close them here for you. And Yeah, we love this automatic door. Here's a little bonus addition in addition to the concrete. So we can kind of take our cars from the front and park them back here in the back and just push a button, you know, if you're going to park in the backyard. And it kind of gives you a little bit of a break there. So thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. I'll have more videos later, and you better believe they are going to be random. This one is about updating your concrete. And oh, by the way, back here at the pool, I did not have them update the concrete here, but I did have them re-stain and put some shine and protectant on the stamped concrete here. If you haven't watched my banana tree video, you might want to watch that as well. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the backside. Adirondack chairs, love them. Bye now.